Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today's word is one that looks strange and confuses a lot of people. Q. Some people might try to pronounce every letter and say kway-you or kwee-you, but that's not right. So, let's learn the correct way to say it. So, how do you say it? Correct pronunciation is Q. It rhymes with Q. Let's break it down, step by step. That's it. Even though it has 5 letters, it sounds just like the letter Q. Now say it with me. Q. One more time. Q. Great job. So what does queue mean? A queue is a line of people, cars or things waiting their turn. For example, when you're waiting in a long line at the airport, you're in a queue. In British English, queue is commonly used for a line of people, but in American English, people usually just say line instead. Queue is also used in technology. Ever seen a queue when downloading files or waiting for your turn in an online game? That's the same word. Did you know queue comes from French and originally meant tail? That makes sense, because a queue is like a long tail of people or things waiting in order. Now the spelling tip. It's spelled Q-U-E-U-E. Now that you know it, you can say queue correctly, whether you're talking about a line of people or a list of things waiting to happen. Thanks for joining me today on Say It Right. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.